Creating an invoice on Square is a straightforward process that can be done through their online dashboard or mobile app. Here's a step-by-step guide. Sign in to Square. Log into your Square account via the Square dashboard on your computer or the Square app on your mobile device. Navigate to Invoices. On the dashboard, click on the Invoices tab from the sidebar. If using the mobile app, tap on the menu icon and select Invoices. Create a new invoice. Click on Create Invoice on the dashboard or tap the plus button in the app to start a new invoice. Add customer information. Enter the customer's name and email address. You can select an existing customer from your directory or add a new one. Add customer information. Enter the customer's name and email address. You can select an existing customer from your directory or add a new one. Enter invoice details. Invoice number. Square automatically assigns an invoice number, but you can edit it if needed. Date. Set the invoice date and the due date. Itemize list. Add the items or services provided. Include descriptions, quantities and prices. Discount and taxes. Apply any discounts or sales taxes if applicable. Set payment terms. Choose the payment terms such as immediate payment, net 15, net 30, etc. Additional options. Message. Add a personal message or any important notes for the customer. Attachments. Attach any relevant files or documents. Preview and send. Review the invoice for accuracy. Click on Preview to see how the invoice will appear to the customer. Once satisfied, click Send to email the invoice directly to the customer. Alternatively, you can copy the invoice link to share it through other means. Track and manage invoices. After sending, you can track the invoice status in the Invoices section. Send reminders for overdue invoices if necessary.